So my son, he's been diagnosed as a schizophrenic.
Okay. It's up. Drop that fucking head.
On June 7th, 2025, at approximately 3:30 p.m., Orange County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to 203 North Ortman Drive after reports of a man in a mental health crisis, not taking his medication and acting erratically in the street, breaking things. When deputies arrived, the man's father met them at the door and told them his 30-year-old son, Terry Washington Jr., was in a bedroom and had a knife.
How you doing?
So my son, he's been diagnosed as a schizophrenic.
Okay. Where's your son at right now?
He's at the house.
Okay.
And he also has a warrant out for him because he didn't show up for court because he didn't take his medicine, which was a conditional release, which was a condition of his release.
Okay.
The manic episodes are starting again.
It's alright. Giving us permission to come in, correct?
Yeah.
Is there any weapons in his hand?
Or does it have a knife or something like that?
He has a knife.
He has a knife?
See, I think he took it from him, yeah, this morning.
That's cut proof, technically.
Okay. When he opens that door, don't have him close it. When he opens that door, don't have him close it. Close it. Not for you.
TJ, it's the sheriff's office. Come on out and talk to us, buddy.
Got no trouble.
TJ, we just want to talk to you.
You just want to talk with him.
TJ, can you come out and talk to us? TJ! What's up? Drop that. County, shots fired, shots fired! Boulders, you okay? Boulders, you okay? County, shots fired!
Deputies positioned themselves in the hallway and spent approximately 5 minutes attempting to communicate with Washington and de-escalate the situation before he emerged. Within 1 second of exiting the room, Washington charged at deputies and attempted to stab one of them. He then grabbed the deputy's gun while continuing to swing the knife. The deputy fell backward into a bathtub during the struggle. The tub's edge cut the back of his head. At that point, the deputy discharged his service weapon, striking Washington multiple times. Deputies immediately rendered aid until paramedics arrived. Washington was transported to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The deputy was also transported and treated for lacerations to the back of his head and is expected to make a full recovery.
TJ!
It's up. Drop that.
The Florida Department of Law Enforcement is leading the investigation and will submit its findings to the state attorney's office for review. Once that process is complete, the Orange County Sheriff's Office will conduct its own internal investigation. The deputy who fired his weapon has been placed on paid administrative leave pending the outcome of the FDLE review.